this genuinely did not do anything for my skin. Oh my god, this actually doesn't come out. I always have a concern with my elbow, my knees, and my feet and my underarm because I'm a brown skin girl, so I get tanned and pigmented super fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another episode of the viral products that is spoken all over the internet, and let's see if these products are worth the hype or no. And I've been using these products from quite a while now, so I'll also give you like a quick review. So let's quickly get started. So the number one product I have is by the brand 82 East. Now you all know that this is a Deepika Padukone brand, and this is something it looks like. And this is their Gotu Kola Dew Toner. Now this one is really hyped over the internet, and also when it was launched, a lot of people have like different opinions on this product, but in my opinion this is extremely lightweight and gentle, and I love on how it actually smells. So let me just show you the texture. If you actually see, this has like very light consistency and also blends in your skin very nicely, and this has extremely mild smell, not heavy smell at all, and it is very hydrating. Sometimes when I think that my face is like super inflamed, which means it is super sensitive, or I have like tiny bumps on my face, I just wash my face with a good cleanser, and then I apply this one right here, and that's about it. I don't layer it. I just apply this toner and it does the job for a day. It's extremely hydrating. So I think this product is worth the hype. So the next product that I have is by the brand, like a popular brand, Cosrx. Now this is a Korean brand, and I know all of y'all would have heard about the snail mucin, which was like so hyped over the years. But this product right here that I have from Cosrx is something that it looks like, and this is their BHA Blackhead Power Liquid by Cosrx, and this claims that this liquid helps to remove oil and deeply cleanses while moisturizing the skin to make the pores appear smaller. Now honestly, this has like very water consistency, if you see. Yeah, and it's very runny. It has very mild smell to this. But having said that, I'm not a fan of this. This genuinely did not do anything for my skin. This is really expensive. I think I bought this for about 1100 or 1200. But when I tried it on my paws and also on my blackheads, which is on top of my nose, like honestly, it really did not do anything. The blackheads were still there. There were a lot of people raving about this product that it really works. But when I worked with it and I tried this out, it really did not do anything. I really tested this product out. If you see, I've already used so much of this product, but honestly, it did not do anything for my skin. So I think it's like a thumbs down, and I genuinely did not like this product at all. Next one is by the brand Dr. Shave, and now this is like a lifesaver product if you're someone who is always outdoors and tend to get tan super easily. This products really comes handy. Now this is by Dr. Shade, and this is their licorice and lactic acid peel. This is something it looks like, and I love this product because it instantly removes the tan from your face. Now, having said that, if you have like crazy tan, with consistency you are going to see result. But if you have like mild tan and you really want to get your, like you want to get like a shade lighter, I think this one would really, really work. Now, I've already spoken about this product, but let me just quickly give you a brief. Now, this can be used in three different forms. Number one is cleanse your face. Apply this on your face for good 5 to 10 minutes and just wipe this off. Second is just apply like a thin layer on your face, and then extremely thin layer, okay? And top that with a good moisturizer or a sleeping mask, and then in the morning you can just wash it off. And the third is like if you have like uh scars or pigments on your face, you can just apply it there and just leave it overnight and then just wash your face in the morning. That's about it. It really, really helps. Now, this has like 8.8% of lactic acid. It has 2% of niacinamide. It has licorice extract, and it also has calendula extract, which is really good for, to get that even skin tone and for like glowing skin tone. But having said that, this will work with consistency if you have like super tan, and it is really gorgeous. And I really love it because when you put like a scrub and exfoliate like that walnut scrub, or like you make a paste of that sugar and just scrub, it really inflammates and it really makes your skin very, very rough. But this one is super mild. Always do a patch test. It's extremely important, but it really worked for me, and I really hope it works for you too. So it's like a big thumbs up from my end. So the next product is by Earth Rhythm. Now, this is extremely popular because of the way it is being formulated, and this is their buttercream soap. And I have in the variant berry smoothie acai berry extract. It sounds so fancy. This is something it looks like. And now this is such a great tub. Now, if you see, it comes with a scapula, and also this is something it looks like, and it smells blueberry. It does. Now, can you see this doesn't even come out? So the whole thing about this product is it's actually a soap. So it's like a melted soap. Or to be very honest, you only have to take like a little scoop and just lather it, and it lathers like so beautifully on your you know skin. You just need like like very, very small amount of it, and it just lathers and you smell so good, and you really, really, I mean, your skin feels so smoother. So I absolutely love this product. So if you're someone who loves like a soap, or and you don't like the body shower, probably you can check it out. And if you're looking for something which you can travel with and it is very handy, and mm, it smells amazing, I think you can totally check this out because this is absolutely gorgeous. So the next product I have is by Be Body Wise. Now this is one of my favorite brands when it comes to body care. Now this one right here is a 10% AHA body scrub. Now this exfoliates the dead skin and also removes the ingrown hair and tan. This is supposed to be used only once a week. It has like nice exfoliator beads which really helps you get rid of that strawberry skin, or um or also the little tan that you have on your body. It is best used when you apply it on your underarms, on your this part of your hand, and also your knees, I mean the elbow and the knees. Yes, it is really, really good. It actually says that do not miss these area because it really helps to uh remove the tan. It actually says gently scrub the body in circular motion and focus on the neck, elbow, knees, underarm, and feet because we tend to get tan over there. It is absolutely stunning. This is actually my second tube. I have thoroughly enjoyed it, and you really have to use it like once a week. That's about it. It is going to show result. It has really helped me. If you see my uh elbow right here. This used to be like so dark. I always have a concern with my elbow, my knee, and my feet and my underarm because I'm a brown skin girl. So I get tan and pigmented super faster than a normal person. So I think this really helps for brown skin girlies who are prone to pigmentation extremely sooner. So this is a wonderful product, and I would highly recommend, and it's a thumbs up from me. So the next product I have is by Vaseline. Now you would be seeing that brands like Vaseline and Dove are actually launching so many new products. So I got my hands on this. This is their Gluta-Hya Overnight Radiant Serum Pill Lotion. So I was actually looking for something for night where the consistency of the lotion is extremely lightweight, extremely, gentle, and also it smells wonderful. So I saw a lot of people raving about this product as well. There is a pink variant also in this, which I've already spoken about. That is something that I use it in my daycare routine, but for night, I will never skip this one. This is such a wonderful product. I am also going to show you how exactly it looks like. So if you see, it has like a gel like consistency, and if you see how beautifully it is going to melt in my skin. So yeah, it is so good. You're not going to regret this. This is such a great product. This smells extremely wonderful. There are certain brands that you can really trust, and Vaseline is one of them. I truly love this, and it is just for like 360, and you always get these on discount for about 25%. I love this. So yes, it's a big thumbs up. Let's quickly move on to another product that a lot of people are raving about, and they are calling this product as a Botox. So you would all know that Botox is something that you get yourself injected with, and then you don't have lines and anything on your face. It really helps in aging. So we can't do that process because it is too painful and very expensive. So there was this product that a lot of people were raving about. Now I'm talking about the Ordinary, and this is something it looks like, and this is their Argireline solution 10%. Quite a difficult name to pronounce, but I'm just going to the picture right here. It is their Argiline solution 10%, and it targets the appearance of dynamic facial lines. Now if you are someone who wants to add like a good serum in your anti-aging routine, and you see like fine lines on your face, you can totally check this out. This is extremely beautiful product. I've been using it because I am in my 30s, and I already see like these lines right here when I smile. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I do have like fine lines. So I use this as extremely lightweight, extremely great. I really love this product. And like people said, this was like Botox in a bottle. And with consistency, you're surely going to see results. Like I always say, skincare is about consistency. You cannot apply it like for one day and 1 week and 3 weeks. You really have to be consistent to see result. And yes, this is a wonderful product, and I absolutely love it. And a pro tip, if you have like the Cosrx peptide serum toner, you can also pair it with this, and it is going to do magic. Remember, Cosrx peptide serum, that's a new launch by Cosrx, and if you pair it with this ordinary product, it is going to be very magical, and you're going to see results super fast. So I absolutely love it, and it's a thumbs up. So the next product I have is by Plump, and this is something it looks like. I have been a fan of the Plump products, especially their eye kajal. I have already used the purple one, the extreme darker version, the initial launch, but this seemed to be a little easier and convenient, and really don't have to sharpen and stuff. So I really wanted to get my hands on this. I actually did not apply anything on my face because I thought, let me just use this with y'all. So I've just put the lid behind and I'm gonna apply this on my eyes. I hope I don't make a disaster. Let's come a little closer. I'm just gonna apply a very, very little. Let's put it here. I applied like a very, very little. It's extremely great, nice. I'm also gonna show you like a swatch. This is my hand, and we're just gonna do like one swipe, okay? Can you see that? Just one swipe, and this is something it looks like. I've been very gentle on my eyes. But yes, this is an absolutely stunning product. And let's do like a test. Can you see? It doesn't come off also. Let's press it well. I actually did not do this test before, so I'm also amazed. I've been using this from a very, very long time. Oh my god, this actually doesn't come out. This is extremely stubborn, and I'm very happy that this is extremely stubborn. This doesn't come out. So I hope you understand how great this product is. I really, really love this product. So it's again a big, big thumbs up from me. Okay, so the last product that I have is by Wishcare, and this is their ceramide lip balm, the tinted version. This is extremely, extremely hydrating. It is not chappy at all. If you see, I'm just going to show, it will not, it is extremely lightweight and has like a little tint to it, which I love. And the best part about this product is it has SPF 50 with PA++, and this has ceramide, kojic acid, niacinamide, and watermelon. These are their key ingredients. So it is extremely handy. You really don't need like heavy lipstick or lip gloss because it is already summers. We really need to have something which is hydrating, non-sticky, yet very, very comfortable on the skin. I mean on the lips, and has a little color to it so that it does the job. So this is something a lot of people were raving about. I thought, let me get my hands on it, and I am absolutely in love with this. Everywhere I go, I have this in my pocket. And yes, what do I even see? I absolutely love it. So I think this is again a big, big thumbs up from me, and I really, really hope you love this video. If you know any products that is going viral, just drop that in the comment section below, and I am going to review that, get it for myself, and also know that none of these products are you know sponsored or are being sent to me in PR. I'm a new YouTuber, so everything is bought by me, and if I do brand collabs, I am gonna pop that in the the description box, or I'm gonna be extremely vocal about it. But for now, all the products that I have mentioned in this video are brought by me. Just a little disclaimer, and I really hope you love this video. And if you did, you know the drill: like, share, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yes, with that, let's end today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.